Hi 5H, today I want to show you how to cut out your notebook tabs. So you are going to need a pair of scissors and the binder that I gave to you on Friday with your remote learning materials. So open up your binder, and in the first pocket you will notice that there are a set of pages, and you're going to take out all of them. And then I'm going to put my binder off to the side. I don't need that anymore. I'm going to try and make it so you can see the table a little bit more. So now I've got my writing ideas page in front of me. You will notice that there is this little tab off to the side, and that we are going to make sure we leave when we're cutting. So we are going to just take this first page, because they're all different. We can't do them all at once. And I'm going to start cutting on this black line at the bottom. And it's pretty easy all the way until we get to the top. And you will see that I cut right to that tab, and then I'm going to cut over. So now I've got a scrap. Then I'm going to cut up. And so my page looks like that. Then I'm going to put this face down on the table because it's going to be my first notebook tab. The next page is called Writers in Training, and the tab is a little bit lower on this one. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to cut this one too. So I'm going to start at the bottom. I'm cutting on that line. I'm cutting up, and now I know I need to stop because I got to that tab. I'm going to cut over. Got a scrap. I'm going to cut up. I'm going to cut over. So basically I'm cutting out these tabs so that they stick out of my notebook. So I've got my next page. I'm going to put it underneath my first page. So I've got my stack so that they're staying in order. First page, second page. I'm going to put them face down, and I'm going to do my next one. So it says word study. And I need to once again cut around the tab. I'm putting this face down on my pile. I know that I was able to do that super fast because I already know the directions and I've done this lots of times before, but eventually you will have a set of 5, and those are all cut out so you can see all of the labels at once. That's a set. I'm going to keep them face down, but I still have 5 more pages left to do because those were for my writing notebook and these are for my reading notebook. So I'm going to keep going, and you're just continuing to cut along the tabs and putting them in a pile face down so that they stay organized. I have all of these ready to go. I kept them in a pile so they're still in the same order. And when you are finished cutting yours out, you're going to just put them back in the front pocket of your binder. So now they're a little bit smaller since the edges are trimmed off. And when we are live, I will show you how we're going to glue these into our notebook.